It's 9:12 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. Your security dashboard is glowing green. The firewall is blocking background noise. Your Endpoint Detection and Response (EDR) is quietly humming. Everything looks perfect. But by noon, an attacker has already been inside your network for 3 hours and your customer data is gone. This is when leadership drags you into the conference room and asks how a $1 million security stack missed the breach. And the comfortable truth is this: it didn't miss it. Your tools were just never designed to stop it. Here is the reality of modern cybersecurity that vendor marketing refuses to tell you. Most people think breaches start with a genius hacker launching a zero-day exploit to smash through your perimeter. They don't. Attackers don't fight your firewall. They don't try to bypass your antivirus. They simply log in. Let's look at the most common attack path on the planet. An employee receives a routine email. It looks like a document share or a vendor invoice. It looks completely normal. The employee clicks, enters their username and password, and hits enter. At that exact moment, no malware is installed. No payload is dropped. So, your antivirus sees nothing. Your firewall sees encrypted, valid web traffic. Your EDR sees a legitimate login process because technically it is legitimate. Those credentials just happen to be in the hands of someone sitting 3,000 miles away. From the perspective of your $1 million security stack, absolutely nothing malicious is happening. A real user logged in, using the correct password from a device that looks normal. And this is exactly where most security systems quietly step aside and let the attacker walk right through the front door. Why? Because traditional security tools are built to detect bad code, not trusted behavior used the wrong way. Once the attacker is inside, they don't rush. They don't run loud hacking tools. They blend in, they check email, they access the exact same SharePoint drives that compromised user accesses every day. This is called living off the land. They use the built-in system utilities and authorized cloud dashboards that your company already pays for. There are no malware signatures to detect because they aren't using malware. They are using permission. Your security tools didn't fail because they are broken. They failed because they did exactly what they were designed to do. They allowed a trusted user to work. They are reactive sensors waiting for something to look wrong. But stolen credentials don't look wrong. They look like business as usual. So, how do you actually fix this? First, you have to stop thinking of security tools as physical shields. They are burglar alarms. They buy you time. They do not buy you safety. Second, you have to completely shift your architectural mindset away from the perimeter and towards identity. This is the absolute core of zero trust architecture. You must assume the perimeter is already breached. Multi-factor authentication is no longer optional. It is the absolute bare minimum, rendering stolen passwords instantly useless. You must implement conditional access, where the user's location, the device posture, and the behavioral analytics are constantly verified, not just checked once at the login screen. Breaches are not caused by missing software tools. They are caused by misplaced trust. Trust in a single login. Trust in a static credential. trust that normal equals safe. The strongest security posture isn't about building a thicker wall to stop every attack. It's about detecting identity misuse instantly, limiting the blast radius, and accepting that prevention alone will never save you. Security tools do not stop breaches. Validated architecture does. If this changed how you view your network, subscribe to CyberTechHaus and let me know in the comments which security tool in your stack gives you a false sense of security.